Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. This year Sri Panchami started today morning about 10:45. The Panchami Tithi started. So as we see up into the sky, probably the moon will be setting. Panchami moon. And tomorrow is the Panchami Tithi. On that occasion, I wanted to read out a Saraswati Stotram. Generally, multiple slokas of this are done the Samputi-karana by several people. So, the most important Ya Kundendu Tusharahara Dhavala is from this stotra. The poet is unknown for this poetry. It is an anonymous poem. या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदंड मंडितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिर्दैवैः सदा वंदिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा. या whoever kundendu tushara hara dhavala ya subhravastravruta. So the again dhyana ya veena varadanda manditakara, what she is holding, veena varadanda manditakara, ya sweta padmasana, how she is sitting, ya brahmachyuta sankara prabhuti bhirdaiva sada vandita. Brahma achyuta sankara prabhuti, starting from trimurtis by Sada Vandita, they also pray, get the grace of the Saraswati, the power of knowledge. Sa, such Saraswati, Mampatu, protect us, Bhagavati, Nishesha Jadjapaha, can remove all kinds of jadjas, all kinds of defects, Nishesha, without leaving a trace of them. So the knowledge is the best cleanser which will cleanse all the jadjas. Asyasurasi bhavadangavalli bhasaiva dasikruta dugdha sindhum mandasmitai nindita saradendum vande ravindasana sundaritvam ravindasana sundari. Sharada sharadam bhoja vadana vadanambuje sarvada sarvadasmakam sannidhim kriyat. This sloka is also one of the tough to do anvaya. Sharada ambhoja vadana vadanambuje Sharada ambhoja vadana Sarad amboja Saradrutu amboja vadana Saradrutu amboja vadana vadanambuje vadana ambuja, again like a ambuja or like a lotus face. Sarvada smakam. Sarvada, one who can give everything. Sarvadasmakam, always for us. Sannidhin kriyat. Satnidhim sannidhin kriyat. The good nidhi of knowledge. Sannidhim, bring us near to us kriyat. Saraswatim chatam naumi vagadhishtatru devatam devatvam pratipadyante yadanugrahato janaha patuno nikash Gramavati, Hemna Saraswati, Pragnettara Parichedam, Vachasaiva Karotiya, Suklam, Brahma Vichara Sara Paramam, Adyam Jagadvyapinim, Veena Pustukadharinim, Abhayadam, Jajjandhakarapaham, Hastes Phatikamalikānca Dadhatim Padmasane Samsthitam, Vande tam parameshwarim bhagavatim buddhipradam sharadam. Shuklam, white color. Brahma vichara sara paramam. She is the essence of all the Brahma vichara sara. Paramam adyam jagadvyapinim is the beginning source of everything. Jagadvyapinim, who is covered everything in the Jagat Vyapinim. Veena Pustuka Dharinim Abhayadam, who can give the Abhayam, fearlessness, Jajyandhakarapaham, Jajya Andhakarapa, Apaham, who can remove this Andhakara of Jajyas, darkness of ignorance. Haste Sphatikamaalikancha Dadhatim, so she holds the Spatikamala first in the Hasta. Pustaka Hastamala, so whether the knowledge comes from book or from meditation or doing japa, both. More higher priority is for the Spatikamala Chadadhatim Padmasane Samsthitam, sitting in the Padmasana. Vandetam Parameshwarim Bhagavatim Buddhi Pradam. You can give the Buddhi Pradam Sharadam. Veenadhare Vipula Mangala Dana Sile Bhaktartina Sine Virincha Hari Sevandye Kirti Prade Akhila Manoradhade Maharhe Maharhe Vidya Pradayani Saraswati Naumi Nityam. Vidya Pradayani, giver of the Vidya. Vidya is a method of learning. By following that method, wisdom gets realized in one's own mind, one's own consciousness. Svetabja Purna Vimalasana Samsthitehe Svetambara Manohara Manjugatre Udyanmanognya Sita Pankaja Manjulasye Vidyapradayini Saraswati Naumi Nityam. Vidyapradayini Saraswati Naumi Nityam. Matastwadiya Padapankaja Bhakti Yukta Yetvam Bhajanti Nikhilan Apaharan Vihaya Te Nirjaratva Yanti Kalebarena Bhuvahni Vayu Gaganambu Vinirmitena. Mohandhakara Bharite Hrudaye Madiye Matah Sadaiva Kuru Vasamudara Bhave Sviyakhila Vayava Nirmala Suprabhabhihi Sighram Vinasaya Manogatamandhakaram. Mohandhakara Bharite Hrudaye Madiye, which has been filled with the Mohandhakara, Bharite, filled, Hrudaye, in my heart, Madiye Hrudaye, in my heart, Mohandhakara Bharite Hrudaye Madiye, Mataha, mother, Sadaiva Kuru Vasa Mudara Bhave, only by the Udara Bhava, by your grace, come and stay there. Sviyakhila Vayava Nirmala Suprabhabhihi, with your bright Sviya, on your own, Akhila, Avayava Nirmala Suprabhabhihi, which are pure, and Suprabhabhihi, which are bright, with all your limbs. Limbs are all your different components of knowledge, giving all that Nirmala Suprabhavi, which are pure and purifying ability and knowledge giving ability. So, Sighram Vinasaya Manogatam Andhakaram. By sitting in this heart, what you do is, my Manogatam Andhakaram, whatever Andhakaram which is there in the Manas, Sighram Vinasaya, it will reduce, remove the Sighram Vinasaya. Brahma Jagat Srujati Palayati Indireshaha Shambhur Vinasayati Devi Tava Prabhavai Nasyat Krupa Yadi Tava Prakata Prabhave Nasyuk Kadhanchidapite Nijakarya Dakshaha. No one can perform any action, including Brahma Jagat Srujati. Brahma will create this world. Palayati Indireshaha. Indiresha will protect it. Palaya, Palana. He will take care of it. Shambhur Vinasayati Devi. Shambhu will merge it back. Vinayasayati Devi. Tava Prabhavaihi, by your Prabhava, by your influence, Prabhava, by your brightness, by your knowledge. Natsyat Krupa Yadi Tava Prakata Prabhave, if you don't reveal the knowledge to them, to their minds, Nasyuk Kadhanchitapite Nijakarya Dakshaha, nobody can take their own karyas, cannot be performed. Lakshmir Medha Dhara Pushti Gauri Tushti Prabha Dhruti Etabhi Pahi Tanurara Tanubhirashtabhirmam Saraswati Saraswatyai Namo Nityam Bhadrakalyai Namo Namaha వేద వేదాంగ విద్యాస్థానేభ్య ఏవచ. వేద వేదాంగ విద్య, ఐదర్ వేద విద్య ఆర్ వేదాంగ విద్య, ఆల్ విద్య విద్యాస్థానేభ్య ఏవచ. సరస్వతి మహాభాగే విద్యే కమలలోచనే విద్యారూపే విశాలాక్షి విద్యాం దేహి నమోస్తుతే. సో సరస్వతి మహాభాగే విద్యే, షీ హర్సెల్ఫ్ ఈజ్ ద విద్య. కమలలోచనే విద్యారూపే, అ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ విద్య. విశాలాక్షి విద్యాం దేహి, give the vidya, a path of learning to me. Give the vidya, vidyam dehi namostute. Ability to know, the path to know, the knowledge, all the triputi is vidya. Yadakshara padabhrashtam matrahinantu yadbhavet tat sarvam kshamyatam devi prasida parameshwari. O Supreme Lord Goddess Parameshwari, the knowledge personified, she is Saraswati. Let the Vidya and Lakshmi, Medha, Dhara, Pushti, Gauri, Tushti, Prabha, Dhruti, all these different aspects come from the knowledge. Yatabhihi, Paihi, Tanubhirashtabhirmam, all the Ashtabhihi, Tanubhihi, Mam, Pahihi. So, Yadakshara Padabhrashtam, in this, any అక్షరాలు, అక్షరాస్ ఆర్ పదాస్ భ్రష్టం, రాంగ్లీ స్పెల్ట్, రాంగ్లీ అండర్స్టూడ్, రాంగ్లీ రివీల్డ్. క్షమ్యతాం, తత్సర్వం క్షమ్యతాం దేవి. ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ టు బి ఫర్గివెన్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టోల్డ్ మొహాంధకార భరితే హృదయే మదీయే మాత సదైవ గురువాసముదార భావే. సో లెట్ ద లార్డ్ గాడెస్ సరస్వతి stay in everybody's heart and give her influence towards the right direction. Prachodana, buddhi prachodana, buddhi, vidya. These two, buddhi, siddhi, buddhi, or buddhi and vidya, all these pairs of divine abilities in all the human beings. So Sri Panchami be auspicious to one and all. Swasti.